Hello, my name is Lisa Ceballos, and the social problem that I will be discussing today is drug abuse. On the agenda is defining substance abuse, the causes and risk factors, the effects and consequences, prevention strategies, and treatment. Substance abuse is defined as something that involves the harmful or hazardous use of psychoactive substances, including alcohol and illicit drugs. Understanding the types of substances and the differences between use, misuse, and abuse are essential for addressing the problem effectively. Types and examples of drugs that are frequently abused are opioids and benzodiazepine, such as Oxycontin, oxycodone, hydrocodone, codeine, Xanax, diazepam, and others. Stimulants such as methamphetamine, Adderall, steroids, and cocaine. Hallucinogens and depressants such as alcohol, marijuana, PCP, mushrooms, acid are just a few of those things that can be abused. Drug abuse can cause financial issues, trust issues, criminal activity, a loss of a loved one's support, physical conditions, and possible death. It is becoming more common and dangerous than ever before. Other consequences of drug abuse can include social consequences. Drug abuse leads to strained personal relationships and social isolation, impacting community connections. Legal issues. Drug abuse frequently causes legal problems, including arrests and court cases, worsening individual circumstances. Economic hardship. Unemployment and financial difficulties are a common economic repercussion resulting from drug abuse. Mental and emotional consequences. Mood disorders, disassociation, and lack of support are just a few of the consequences. Available federal and state programs include DARE, Drug Abuse Resistance Education. This is usually taught by law enforcement to school-aged children, teaching kids the skills that they need to avoid drugs, gangs, and violence. NA, also known as Narcotics Anonymous, is a community-based program that offers support and guidance to sobriety from drugs and alcohol. AA, which is also known as Alcoholics Anonymous, is also a community-based program that offers support and guidance to obtain sobriety from alcohol. Medications such as Suboxone, buprenorphine, and methadone can be prescribed by a doctor to help with withdrawal symptoms. Narcan is also available for free through your state websites. If you or anybody you know are suffering from a substance use disorder, please call the helpline at 866-395-3103. In conclusion, there are numerous resources that are offered to the community and are free to obtain, if you want the help. Making the community more aware of these resources could be more effective as well. When society starts to understand that addiction is a disease and not a choice, it will also help others to reach out. If you follow me over here, these are people that I have lost due to drug overdose, which is why I chose this topic. This is my younger sister Melissa, who passed away at 18 due to an overdose from opioids, as well as my mother at the age of 44 and my grandmother at the age of 61, both dying from opioids as well. My brother-in-law had complications due to his drug usage and passed away at age 50, just a few months ago. This is my younger cousin Alex, who passed away from allergic reaction to codeine. This is my uncle, who passed away at age 51 from an accidental overdose of fentanyl. Opioid overdose and naloxone can be very beneficial when trying to save someone's life that has overdose. As you can tell throughout the years, drug abuse has definitely gone up a lot in the past few years. Right here is an example of naloxone, also known as Narcan, which is a nasal spray and can be given to someone that has had an overdose due to opioids, heroin, methadone. Those are just a few examples. What you do with this is you insert it into the person's their nose. It will look like this. This has already been used. So we're going to use this as an example. You just insert it through the nose and you push it up, and it will squeeze the medication that's needed to save that person's life. Buprenorphine is also used to help with withdrawals. NA offers the 12-step program and a book that they use for their recovery. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate it.